Over the past few months, a simple routine known as the Gelatin Trick has quietly gone viral across TikTok, YouTube, and wellness communities online. What makes this interesting is not that it promises extreme results, but that it focuses on something very basic: starting meals in a more intentional way. The Gelatin Trick is usually described as a small pre-meal ritual where unflavored gelatin is mixed with warm water and consumed shortly before eating. Many people say this simple step helps them slow down, feel more satisfied, and become more mindful about portions. Nutrition-focused discussions often explain that gelatin naturally thickens when mixed with warm liquid, creating a gentle texture that may contribute to a feeling of fullness before meals. Because of this, the method is commonly viewed as a habit-based approach rather than a diet or medical solution. What really helped this trend spread is how accessible it is. The ingredients are inexpensive, widely available, and easy to prepare, which makes the routine simple to test without major lifestyle changes. If you'd like to learn more about this viral method and see how people are using it in their daily routines, you can check the link in the first comment for additional information.